under the chapter of accounting, one chapter we are required to understand about the fact of accounting principle. Accounting principle is also called generally accepted accounting principle. And general accounting principles are the set of rules, guidelines, concept, theories which are applied while preparing accounting statement. Is it clear? It is useful for different types of users of accounting information. That is to say, with different types of investors, managers, government, because they are required to take decision. Government are required to take decision. Investors are required to take decision. Why will they invest in your company? Isn't it? Is it clear? Unless and until your accounting statements are reliable, communicative, understandable, they will not invest in your company. Is it clear? Is it clear? It should be reliable, not biased, communicative, no relevance. It is the salient features of generally accepted accounting principle. So, and it has been mentioned, GAAP are a set of rules, standards and guidelines used by accountant to record and report financial transactions. They ensure accuracy, consistency and comparability in financial reporting. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? And after that, objectives of GAAP. What are the objectives of GAAP? It should be understandable, it should be communicative, to make financial statement understandable and reliable. Is it clear? To provide consistency in accounting practices. Consistency, we are also required to understand about the fact of consistency principle. Suppose that in depreciation, we are also used various types of methods of depreciation, return on value methods, straight line methods, but one principle should be applied. No, and that is to say, to provide consistency in accounting practices, we have the principle of GAAP. We have the principle of generally accepted accounting principle. Is it clear? To help investors, management and government make decision to ensure comparability over time. Is it clear? No?
Yes, sir.
So, in brief, we can say that generally accepted accounting principles are the set of rules, guidelines, concept, no, convention, no, a standard which are applied while preparing accounting statement. Is it clear? No? Is it clear? And also it has been mentioned in your slides. And these are the objectives of the GAAP.
Please, next slide.
No? And after that, we are required to understand various types of principles like business entity concept. Business is separate from owner. There are two entities in this point, business entity principle. One is business owner and another one is business. Business owner and business. Both are divorced. No, divorced between business owner and business. Is it clear? There are two entities, business owner and business. Suppose that it is the example, business owner, personal expenses cannot be recorded in the books of account. Is it clear? Whether I am right or wrong? Is it clear? And after that, money measurement principle, going concern principle, cost principle. Is it clear? Is it clear? Going concern principle, that is to say, business is a going concern, business is a continuous process, business is a dynamic process. It is not for 1 hour, 2 year, 1 day, 2 day, 1 year or 2 year. It is also perpetual and eternal. So, business is a continuous process, business is a dynamic process, business, that is to say, it is going concern principle. And next principles will be covered in the next class. Thanks.